Alright, so real quick, I'm going to show you how to fix the Elgato not working with the PS4. It works for the Game Capture HD, the HD60, the HD60X. Pretty much anything that's compatible with the PS4 this will work for. I'm also going to say how to do the no audio bug. So plug in HDMI straight from your PS4 to the TV so you can see your screen, or do whatever you need to do, and then go to settings. When you're in settings, you go to system, and then this will be enabled. So if I'm turning it, there we go. Yeah, turn it back off, and you can see stuff. But the only thing that's wrong with this is you can't like open stuff like YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, that kind of stuff. If you don't have any sound in there, so there's a few things you could do. So if you have a USB optical headset, then you go to audio devices, and then you go to output device, and you'll have to do this every time you turn your PlayStation on. It doesn't save. For some reason you have to do it every time you turn your PlayStation on. But you go to TV or AV amplifier. If you have one that just plugs into the PlayStation, like just a USB, there's nothing you could do. Unless there's like an optical port on like your mix amp or whatever, you can't do that. There's no solution for it. But yeah, and for little headphones that plug into your controller, so you have to get an Elgato chat link, and it only works for the HD60 and the HD60S for the mobile jack headphones. So there you go.